Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about position time graphs of two objects moving with same velocities, that is VA equal to VB. In general, if you have two objects A and B moving with some average velocities V and VB, then we are considering some special case of that. Actually, we have discussed about relative velocity in the previous video. It is actually a special case of that relative velocity, that concept. Okay, so please watch that video first. It is actually the continuation of that. So, if VA equal to VB, if you are taking VA as equal to VB, then what is the expression for the relative velocity of B with respect to A? Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about position time graphs of two objects moving with same velocities. That is, velocity of the object A equal to velocity of the object B. Actually, in the previous video, we have discussed about relative velocity. It is actually a special case of that concept. So, I will provide the link for that relative velocity in the description box. Please watch that first. It is actually a special case of that. So, how can we plot the position time graphs of two objects moving with same velocities? We have the expression for the relative velocity, that is velocity of B with respect to A as what? VB minus VA. Okay, velocity of B with respect to A, which is equal to VB minus VA. Alright, now here VA equal to VB. We are considering a special case where the two objects are moving with the same velocities. So VA and VB are the same. So VB minus VA will be equal to 0 because both are the same. So that will be equal to 0. We have already discussed about one such expression. Now displacement to B from A, that is XBA at a time t is equal to what? XB of 0 minus XA of 0, okay, plus VB minus VA into t. We have discussed about this expression in the previous video while we have discussed about relative velocity. This is the displacement of B, okay, displacement to B from the object A at a time t, that is equal to the position of B at t equal to 0 seconds minus position of A at t equal to 0 seconds plus VB minus VA into t. Since VA equal to VB here, this expression VB minus VA, this term that becomes 0. Right. So, displacement to B from the object A at a time t, that can be written as what? XB of 0 minus XA of 0, because the second term became 0. Okay, so from this you can see that at any time t, the displacement to B from the object A is a constant. Because you see this is equal to XB of 0 minus XA of 0. XA of 0 is the position of the object A at t equal to 0. And XB of 0 is the position of the object B at t equal to 0. At any time, after 1 second or after 2 seconds or at any time t, there won't be any change in their initial positions. Okay, so these two are the constants. So when you are taking the difference, you will again get a constant. Okay, so displacement to B from the object A, when we are taking this special case VA equal to VB, that will be a constant. For example, let at t equal to 0 seconds, the object A, it is at 10 meters away from the origin. Okay, that is XA of 0 equal to 10 meters. Alright, now let this object, the another object B, it is at 20 meters away from the origin initially, that is at t equal to 0 seconds. So we can take it as XB of 0 equal to 20 meters. So while you are calculating the displacement to B from the object A at any time t, that will be equal to XB of 0 minus XA of 0. That is, XB of 0 is 20 meters minus XA of 0 is 10 meters. So 20 minus 10, that is 10 meters. Okay, so at any time t, the displacement to the object B from the object A will be 10 meters. So that will be always a constant. Or we can say that the two objects A and B stay at a constant distance apart at any time t. Now, what will be the nature of the position time graphs of two objects A and B in such a situation? In such a situation means we have two objects A and B moving with the same velocity in the same direction. You just imagine they are moving along the same direction. So, VA equal to VB. Right. So, if two objects A and B are moving along the same direction, that is VA with the same velocities, that is VA equal to VB, then what will be the nature of their position time graphs? That is what we are going to discuss now. So you see, here I have taken in this table, here we have the time in seconds and the position in meters for the objects A and for the object A and for the object B given in this table. So using this table, we are just going to draw the position time graph of two objects A and B moving with the same speed VA equal to VB. Okay, so you see, initially that is at t equal to 0 seconds, A is at 10 meters, okay, B is at 20 meters. So A is at 10 meters, so 0 seconds then 10 meters here. T equal to 1 seconds, A 12 meters away from the origin. So t equal to 1 seconds, A 12 meters away from the origin, we will get a corresponding point somewhere here. Similarly 2 seconds, 14 meters, so 2 seconds, 14 meters, then 3 seconds, 16 meters, 4 seconds, 18 meters for the object A. Okay, 5 seconds, 20 meters, then 6 seconds, 22 meters, etc. Now, so here we got so many points from this table. Now, when we join all these points, so I am just using a scale to join all these points. You see, we are getting a straight line like this starting from this axis. Okay, now let us draw the position time graph for the object B. Its positions at different times are given here. So at t equal to 0 seconds, B is at 20 meters away from the origin. So t equal to 0 seconds, B is here 20 meters away from the origin. Okay, so we are getting a point here. Then t equal to 1 seconds, B 22 meters. So 1 seconds 22 meters. Then 2 seconds 24 meters. 3 seconds 26 meters. Then 4 seconds 28 meters. 5 seconds 30 meters. Then 6 seconds 32 meters. Okay, I am just marking only these points. Now when we join all these points, you see, we are getting a straight line like this. Okay, now you just compare. So this is the position time graph for the object B moving with the velocity VB, and this is the position time graph of the object A moving with the velocity VA, and both are moving with the same velocities, that is VA equal to VB. Okay, so what about the nature of their position time graphs? Here you see the position time graphs of these two objects moving with the same velocity, that is VA equal to VB, are straight lines parallel to each other. Okay, that is the position time graph of A is a straight line here, and position time graph of B is also a straight line here, and both these two straight lines are parallel to each other. Okay, so the nature of the position time graphs of two objects A and B moving with the same velocities are straight lines parallel to each other. So I hope you got an idea about the position time graphs of two objects A and B moving with the same velocities VA equal to VB. I hope you got the nature of this graph and why this graph is like this. Thank you.